Hello everyone. Once again, Ripal Shah from London. Today I'm bringing the very important topic about the restriction of the country that where you can go and where you can't go and which country is open for tourism. So very important video, and as a travel agent I am getting lots of call every day, more than 10 to 15 call. People doesn't know where they can travel and where they can't travel. So for example, if you got a British passport and if you want to go Canada, USA, or in Europe country or India or anywhere, or if you have an Indian passport and if you want to go from India to somewhere else, or if you have a British passport, there is some tricky question as well. You are in India but you have a British passport, and if you want to come back UK via some other country, amber list country, is this country allowing from India or not? uh, Canada or America or Europe country is allowing British passport holder or Indian passport holder or not. There is lots of phone call, email, and WhatsApp messages on my mobile. So that's the reason I am making this video, to make your life easy. So just keep watching. I'll show you everything step by step. So you don't need any help from anyone. Not even, you don't have to call any travel agent to find it out those one. So I'll show you everything step by step. Where to go and what information you have to put it and how to check it yourself. What's the restriction? Can you go or not? Can you fly or not? And this information is for the all over the world. It's not for only UK, Europe, and India. Anywhere, any passport, any country, from to wherever you want to go. So just keep watching, and if you like the video, click on subscribe and share the video. Very informative video this one. So just keep watching now, and I'll show you where to click and where to go. The one I was talking about, the travel restriction, the things I found it. Go to the Google, type blog Vago. You can see here. Go to the Google, type blog Vago, and then there is a third link here, second link, COVID-19 travel restriction. Click on that. Go down. That's the information, very useful information. The first things you have to select, are you fully vaccinated? If you have a both vaccine done, select yes here. Very important. If you don't select this option, you won't get the right information. So if you have a fully vaccinated, you have a certificate, both vaccine done, and if you can prove it, just click yes. Now here, 2 or 3 information. Passport, which passport you are holding. For example, you got a UK passport, select United Kingdom. From where you want to go. From UK, you can see here all the colors. So if you have a British passport, if you have fully vaccinated, both vaccine is done, and if you want to fly from UK, see the color. So the green color you can see in the bottom, see my mouse cursor here, green color, this all the country green is open. See, Spain, Mexico, Egypt, all the green countries open, and you can see the red, which is here, entry is restricted. So see, USA, lots of the question, USA, Canada, India, red list, China, Kazakhstan. So whatever the color is showing, pink color is restricted at the moment. The green color is travel is open. The other color, the test and travel, testing and quarantine. So if you want to know the restriction of that country, for example, Egypt, travel to open. Algeria, entry is restricted. So that is the best way you can find it out. You can change the passport. If you have a other passport, country passport, select the passport from which country and from where to where you want to go. If you have Indian passport, select Indian passport, and if you want to go India to any country, just select the country name, fully vaccinated, yes or no, and then you will see here. Now if you want to see in the detail, for example, Spain, so if you click there, all the information is there. So you can go in a detail, and you can read all the terms and condition if you have a British passport and if you want to go Spain. So this way you can find it out what's the restriction, can you go or not, what the restrictions, what's allow, what doesn't allow, which country allow, which country don't allow. So that's the best way you can find it out, so you don't have to ask any question to anyone. So thank you so much to watch. Like you and love you all, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.